This is GED teacher Damon Tenden, and in this video I am going to go over the basic GED math skill of division. Now, division is very important as a skill, and I'm going to show you more about that on the next screen. But before we get into that, I want to talk to you briefly about the online GED course. In the online GED course, you get 13 specific lessons that will help you to pass the GED test. And just as the image suggests here, it's online, so you can use it on any internet-enabled device, such as a smartphone, tablet, computer. However you access the internet, you can access the online GED course. And what I'm getting ready to show you on the next screen is part and parcel of the lessons that are available in the online GED course. You can find out more information about it at www.mygedlive.com. So let's jump into the lesson. So as I said in the previous slide, one of the things that I love about division is that it's a skill that you use so much. So for example, you use it here with reducing. You think about what's the biggest number that goes evenly into 6 and 8, and that is 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. That's division. So the idea of reducing is a skill that you use with division. On the GED test, you are required to leave your answers in final form. So you have here what's called an improper fraction, and you have to convert that to a mixed number so it's in final form. So again, that is the skill of division. 36 divided by 28. 28, of course, goes in there one time, leaving you a remainder of 8. So that would convert to 1 and 8/28. And then you would reduce that, but I'm kind of running out of room on the screen to do that. Then the third way that you're going to use division is the whole idea of converting. And so you might be converting from percents to fractions, as I'm showing you here. You might be converting from fractions to percents. You could even be converting from fractions to decimals. There's so many types of conversions that you may be called upon to do that requires division. So again, division is so important, and I've just shown you 3 specific ways that you're going to be called upon to use division on the GED test. So let's just work out a couple on the next screen. So I want to come back to that one that I did on the previous screen. 36 divided by 28, just because I ran out of space. So 28 goes into 36 one time, leaving you a remainder of 8. And so the 1 becomes the whole number, the 8 or the remainder becomes a numerator or the top number on the fraction bar, and the denominator does not change. So again, let me just review that. So when you're dividing improper fraction to convert to a mixed number, the whole number becomes the whole number of the fraction. The remainder becomes a numerator or the top number, and the denominator does not change. And so as I mentioned on the previous screen, we would need to reduce that. So again, using the skill of division, thinking about what's the biggest number that goes evenly into 8 and 28. So I'm going to choose the number 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 28 divided by 4 is 7. So that final form will be 1 2/7. So to help you develop this skill, I have attached a worksheet in the video description below. So if you're watching this video on YouTube, you can just simply go to the description, click on the link, and then you'll get free access to that worksheet and also the answers to help you to double check your work. If you're watching this video in one of my interactive PDFs, you can simply click in the text below this video and access the link for that worksheet. However you're accessing this content, either on my YouTube channel directly or in an interactive PDS that I've published somewhere on Facebook or Twitter or some other place on the internet, you just go in the text below and click on that link, and then you can access that worksheet along with the answers. And again, that's free of charge to you. If you like this video and you're on YouTube, please like it and then subscribe to my channel so that you can get the latest videos from me. And then also, if you have a question, put a comment if you happen to be watching this on YouTube. Again, this has been GED teacher Damon Tennant. Hope this video has been helpful.